We're going to play an instrumental. The album is called Trout and Toolbox. And for those of you who've bought one, I'm told I'll talk to you, but I won't talk to anybody else. You may notice that the first track on the album that has a name is track number 2. Because the first track on the album has a trout image, or an image of a fish. And that's for a trout. And it's a Pictish image, so it's the images carved into the stones where I come from. And it wasn't me who was carved the stones. I did write that thing about that bloke in my class, though, on the toilet wall. And I meant it. I'm in a very weird tuning here. I'm in low B flat. This is the tuning used by a fellow I mentioned before, Nick Drake, who wrote the song Now. Nick was one of my heroes in the 60s and 70s, and he was touring Britain constantly, solo player, you know, great guitar player, fantastic fiddle player, marvellous musician. And he came around the corner one night on the way home from a gig, straight into a truckload of bricks, and broke every bone in his body. And he was in a coma for months and months and months. He said he'd never recover, you know. And we all mourned for a long time. And then a few years ago, not that many years ago, 2013 I think it was, I saw a clip on YouTube, and it was Nick Jones playing. You know, I thought, well, that's going to be 1972 or something, it'd be great. I'll have a look. It wasn't. It was him. He's recovered. He looks a bit frail. He's 70 odd now. But he was singing, and his son was playing for him, you know, very folky, beautiful playing. And his son had a mohawk about a metre high, bright red. Playing in this tuning. Very punk. It's a fragile tuning to play in. Roddy'd know what I'm talking about. My E string's down to B flat. So I'm B flat F, B flat F, B flat C. It's murderously awkward. But it's Nick Jones's tuning. And I wrote this tune called Trout and Toolbox for Nick Jones. So here it is, with a bit of luck. Thanks very much. Emma Woolcock on violin, Kerryn Schofield on flute, Istvan Nemeth on bass. Doesn't get much better than this if you play, I'll tell you what.